Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Ram Bighorn quad cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1825A. Only 41,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Black in color. This Ram seats 5. Cloth interior. Not only low miles but very clean. Seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat cargo surface with more storage space below. Power sliding window for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate. Trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Hinges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, shift and the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and compass display. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, and CD player. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 75% of tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.